watching Thrifty Kaniffy. Hello everyone and welcome to Thrifty Kaniffy. We're going to be taking a look at an older style Rough Rider today. Of course, in this older style box with the RI spelling and the horse on the box and the oval. And we just got four sides the same with the model number here of RR346. And then on the other side you got your barcode. Again, RR346. So there's your box. And here is the knife we're looking at. This is the Imitation Abalone 3 1/4 inch Barlow from Rough Rider. Now this is obviously an older one. Just has the plain nickel silver bolsters. They have the nice mirror polish to them. And there's no pins or shield on the handle. Just all imitation abalone. And that's pretty attractive. You could see the iridescence in it, and it just transitions into other colors as you kind of move it around. And then this opposite side is all the same. You do have that one thread on the bolster to decorate it. And then on the back, you've got brass liners, stainless springs, just a minor bit of gapping here at the top. So it's not perfectly constructed, but it's alright. And you can see the clearance for the nail nick. Could be a little better. We'll take a look at these blades. Your main blade is, the rear blade is the Rough Rider etched clip blade you get here. And then the tang stamp has the Rough Rider script on it. And also the blade edge has this anvil light here on the outside. It says tested sharp. You get the match strike pull. And then on the opposite side, we have 440 razor sharp steel stamped into the tang, and then China etched on the blade here at the top. Which again, you get the mirror finish. And there's a look at the blade edge. This nice little sharp clip blade. Now there's no half stops on these. The older ones didn't have it. But I'm not having a lot of problem getting to that nail nick. It's maybe could be a little easier, but not finding it to be an issue. Now that main blade, the main clip blade, measures 2.5 inches, and then it's about 2 1/4 inch on the cutting edge. Nice snap on it. Say about a 5.5 to 6 pull on it. A lot like my other Rough Rider Barlows. And your other blade here is the clip blade. You get a match strike pull with it. Nothing on the tang here. Opposite side, same thing, just plain. And there's a good look at the blade edge on that. Nice little pointy pin blade. It too has some pretty decent snap. And a good pull on it, about 5.5 to 6. Oh, those snap in really nice. Pretty well made. A little looker here. Those handles really stand out. And I've not had a lot of knives with just the plain bolsters from Rough Ryder, so it's kind of a nice change. There's basically no decoration on it whatsoever other than that one single stripe. But these polish up really nice. That mirror finish. And that look at that abalone. And it is imitation, but all the same, it looks really nice. And you do get just a ton of color transition in those handles. It reminds me of a peacock feather, you know. The colors in it. But yeah, the Rough Ryder makes a really decent Barlow. The pulls on these I just wish were a little firmer, but they're not bad. But you do get that cool Rough Ryder blade etch on all these older ones, along with that little anvil. Just says Rough Ryder with the script in the eye. And then they used to stamp the tang with 440 razor sharp steel rather than just etching it here and then putting the model number and China on this side. So this was the older way they did it before they changed. But yeah, no half stops on these, but still good pull and good snap. And that pin blade, just a really cool pin blade for a knife to have. Great little secondary blade, so it's one of the reasons why I like Barlows. But yeah, this is the standard size one, and they've got, of course, the granddaddy, but this will fit nicely into the collection with all the other ones I showed on a recent video where I showed like 29 different Barlows. And this is a recent find on eBay, and I thought it was pretty cool, so pulled the trigger on that one and thought I'd give you guys a look at this. This is it's not one you find every day, but I won't say you'll never find it. It's probably just not quite as common as some, but I didn't pay a lot, maybe about $16, something like that, or less. So they're out there. Again, those gaps could be a little better, but not a deal breaker by any means. Just a cool looking Rough Ryder Barlow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already. I know sometimes you think you're subscribed and you're not, and YouTube has a way of unsubscribing people, so just please make sure you are. If you would like to comment, please do. I'd love to respond to your comments. Always a big fan of comments and having fun with the audience. And of course, if you like the video, hit your thumbs up. But most importantly, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and please do take care.